Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most entertaining and informative product comparisons on the internet. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. We've got the Tikom Robot Vacuum, or as I like to call it, Tikom the Titan, on the left, and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S, aka DEEBOT the Destroyer, on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: money. Tikom the Titan comes in at a wallet-friendly $399. Meanwhile, DEEBOT the Destroyer is flexing its premium price tag at a whopping $999. That's right, folks, you could almost buy 3 Tikoms for the price of one DEEBOT. Is DEEBOT worth the extra cash? Let's find out. Next, let's talk about suction power. Tikom the Titan offers a respectable 3,000 Pascal suction, which is strong enough to suck up your hopes and dreams along with pet hair and dust. But wait, DEEBOT the Destroyer comes in with a mind-blowing 11,000 Pascals suction power. That's not just cleaning your carpet, that's practically ripping it off the floor. If you need a vacuum that could double as a jet engine, DEEBOT's your guy. Now on to navigation. Tikom boasts 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and can store up to 5 maps. It's like having a mini GPS for your home. DEEBOT, on the other hand, has True Detect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0. It's like having a Terminator robot that knows your home better than you do. Both are impressive, but DEEBOT's advanced tech might just edge out Tikom here. Both of these bad boys are 2-in-1, meaning they can sweep and mop. Tikom offers a 3-level water output and various mopping modes. DEEBOT takes things up a notch with its True Edge adaptive edge mopping and intelligent deep mopping system. Plus, DEEBOT's Omni Station even washes the mop with hot water and dries it. Tikom, you tried, but DEEBOT's got the mop game on lock. In terms of battery life, Tikom gives you a solid 150 minutes of runtime. That's like a feature-length movie of cleaning. DEEBOT, however, extends the show with up to 180 minutes and charges 40% faster than its predecessors. If you have a mansion or just hate charging things, DEEBOT's got you covered. Finally, let's talk ease of use. Tikom can be controlled via the Tuya Smart app and works with Alexa and Google Home. Pretty nifty, right? DEEBOT, however, can be controlled by voice commands, foot touches, and even your Apple Watch. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Sorry, Tikom, but DEEBOT's user-friendliness is next level. When it comes to online reviews, Tikom Robot Vacuum is often praised for its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and ease of use. Reviewers love its sleek design and dual functionality, making it a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S is lauded for its high suction power, advanced mopping system, and extensive control options. However, some reviewers have concerns about its long-term durability and the space required for its base. Overall, both products are highly recommended, but they cater to different needs and budgets. So there you have it, folks. Tikom the Titan is a solid option if you're budget conscious and want decent performance. But if you're ready to splurge and want the creme de la creme of robot vacuums, DEEBOT the Destroyer is your go-to. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.